Hello, happy homemakers. I'm sorry if you can hear kids in the background, but kids are at my house all the time and I wanted to give you guys a grocery haul. So anyway, this is everything I got. This is from Aldi and I spent $60. So that's all including the tip and tax. Everything was $60. So here we go. So I bought some chocolate chips because I am making a chocolate covered strawberry cupcake recipe for a collaboration. Then marshmallows because I don't know why, but I've been obsessed with making Rice Krispie treats lately, and yeah. So I got some butter, some Coke, Coca-Cola. I got crispy rice for Rice Krispie treats, brown sugar because we were out, dish pods. Sorry, we had some friend chaos. Now let's go back to the grocery haul. I got some bacon bits, some frozen peas, salad mix, Mexican style shredded cheese, which we actually use for everything, but then I got some mozzarella shredded cheese. I am making tomato basil soup and I like to put cheese in it and it is delicious. We got some Frosted Flakes and a Berry Kids Crunch. We got some milk. We got almond milk. Both my husband and I are lactose intolerant and almond milk works really well for us. We also got some strawberries. These Moo tubes. We had some left over from last week, but this is their favorite kind, so I thought I would get these. We got some frozen strawberries and some freeze-dried strawberries. These are all for my cupcakes that I like. The strawberries, all of this is for the cupcakes I'm making for the collaboration I'm doing that you will see probably before this. We got some apples. We got a pineapple, some tomato soup for my soup tonight, and some diced tomatoes for the soup tonight. And I believe that is everything. So it's not a huge haul, but it's everything that we needed. We're pretty stocked up on everything, so yep. So that's my grocery haul. It's not huge, but it's all we needed for this week. And like I've said in the past, I do spend like, one week we spend like 300, and then like every other week we spend like 50 or 60 just because we're getting the like necessities or things that we didn't get last time. But we don't spend we never actually, rewind, we never actually spend 300 at Aldi. We get stuff from Sam's Club, and so that always adds up pretty quickly. We could get 4 things for the same price or more than that as we do at Aldi, and it's crazy. But anyway, that is my grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, let me know, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.